English verbs fast with Scarlet? Today we are going to learn the verb to be. Let's go, my dear.
Learn English for fun here at Panda J UK.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hi everyone, Scarlet's here. Welcome to the verb of the day practice. Today, we are going to learn the verb to be with the word happy. Repeat after me. I am happy. I am happy. You are happy. You are happy. He is happy. He is happy. She is happy. She is happy. It is happy. It is happy. We are happy. We are happy. You are happy. You are happy. They are happy. They are happy. Good job, dear. Follow us for more. Give us a like and keep practicing over and over.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Today, we are going to learn the simple present negative form of the verb to be. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm not happy. I am sad. I'm not happy. I am sad. You aren't happy. You are sad. You aren't happy. You are sad. He isn't happy. He is sad. He isn't happy. He is sad. She isn't happy. She is sad. She isn't happy. She is sad. It isn't happy. It is sad. It isn't happy. It is sad. We aren't happy. We are sad. We aren't happy. We are sad. You aren't happy. You are sad. You aren't happy. You are sad. They aren't happy. They are sad. They aren't happy. They are sad.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Today, we are going to learn how to ask and answer questions with the verb to be in the present simple. Repeat after me. Am I happy? Yes, I am. Am I happy? Yes, I am. Am I happy? No, I'm not. Am I happy? No, I'm not. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Are you happy? No, I'm not. Are you happy? No, I'm not. Is he happy? Yes, he is. Is he happy? Yes, he is. Is he happy? No, he isn't. Is he happy? No, he isn't. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Is she happy? No, she isn't. Is she happy? No, she isn't. Is it happy? Yes, it is. Is it happy? Yes, it is. Is it happy? No, it isn't. Is it happy? No, it isn't. Are we happy? Yes, we are. Are we happy? Yes, we are. Are we happy? No, we aren't. Are we happy? No, we aren't. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Are they happy? Yes, they are. Are they happy? No, they aren't. Are they happy? No, they aren't. Well done, my dear. Keep practicing over and over.
Subscribe to the channel, give us a like and
See you again tomorrow with a new verb. Bye now.